Alright guys, so it is now morning. It is Sunday, so we are heading over to Nick Fargo's house. He is going to give me a hand breaking down the wheels. He might be doing more of the wheel breaking down so I can actually do some more of the vlogging and more behind the scenes type stuff, I guess. Because the last time whenever he had his hand hurt, he was doing mostly, or I was doing mostly all the stuff. So this time I'm going to try to do more of the vlogging for it while he does the breakdown. So basically right now, we got the wheels off. You can't really see it, but we got the tires off the wheels. We have our new lips, we have our new hardware, and I also get to show you guys what the new hardware color is. I've had some people hit me up already and asking what colors am I doing. I've only told it to a select people, but you guys are gonna see what colors we are gonna be doing once we get the faces painted and everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head over to Nick's house. Now Nick lives about roughly 80 . Alright, so we are back at Mr. Fargo's house. We got the wheels all laid out. And this time we actually have a drill, so it'll be a lot faster to get this done. Last time we did not have a drill. I've had a lot of people asking what color. A lot of people asking what color we're going to be doing the hardware, so I figured I can show you in the vlog before it actually goes on the car, but we're actually going to be doing electric blue for the hardware. I'm super stoked on it, and we're doing the faces royal blue, so if you're watching this vlog before I actually post it with the cars on the wheel and everything, now you know. Oh, I know it's going to be loud, you know? But the amount of time it's saving from when we had the drill, from when we had the hand do everything.
Nice. Alright, so to save us the headache, I'm taking this. I don't even know where I put it now. But I'm going to give you a new nut, so you don't have an odd nut in the back.
Okay. Appreciate that. Yeah, the one thing he was talking about, if I can kind of show you and not bang my wheels up at the exact same time. There's one part in here to where some of them actually had different bolts, and of course you cannot see it at all. But basically, the end nut on the inside, some of them have actually been different sizes, so it's definitely super weird. But even before I got the wheels, before I came to Nick's house the last time and we rebuilt these wheels, they actually had different size nuts. A couple of them, most of them were the same, but there were a couple of them that were different size nuts, so it was super weird. And then apparently it's the same thing on these wheels. Is it cutting good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, the original seal that we have never ripped open yet. So what is the next update on the Jetta? What's the next step?
Trying to save up to repaint the whole car. We're going to do like a gloss black metallic.
That looked pretty sick. I'll show you guys real quick. It's static. I remember there was a time where he actually made a post saying that he was static, and it just completely blew up. Yep. Got it nice. Camber looking on point. Needs a little bit more, but that's okay. Oh, that's where the separation's gonna be.
Yeah.
Do you need a hand?
Put a lot of silicone in here.
You almost think they kind of like crazy overdid it like the last one,
Yeah.
or like the last time. Whew, they put a lot in it. I didn't think it was gonna be that complicated.
Right?
Bringing out Betsy. You want me to hold it? Trying to see what we can do here. There it goes.
Money.
Money. Cha-ching. Oh Lord. Hella. Who seals the wheels, dude? Holy Jesus. Way too much. Whoever sealed it wanted to be safe, that's for sure.
Right?
But that's gonna be a lot of shaving down. Good God. Jesus. Wild.
Yeah.
Well, whenever you're doing it on concrete, it's not like I'm gonna keep the cracked barrel anyway.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try cutting some more on it.
Being a pain. There it goes.
About time.
Oh!
Look at all that.
That's ridiculous. Jeez, there's a layer on that thing.
Seal first.
Yeah. I definitely split the seal on that one first, because that one that he just broke down and this one are the ones that we did not rebuild, because it has this crazy overcoated black seal, and then the seals that we did the last time are nice and firm and perfect. And then so we got the face out of that one with all that crazy overcoat. So this one might be a pain just as much as the last one, but the ones we rebuilt last time should probably be super cake taken off. And then an easier way to figure it out, what Mr. Fargo figured out, is I actually had one of my spare tires in here, so whenever we actually go to separate the real deal, and look, simple as that. Super easy and simple. And then just place that in the tire and just bang bang, she's out. One hit. Done.
Yeah, look at the amount of silicone we put on these.
Like just the right amount. Easy. Last wheel. Alright, so he literally just took off all the bolts. He was going to pick it up and then he caught it, but it already started separating. That's perfect. That's perfect. Right, well, I got the wheels and everything done, so now we just have to swing out to Timmy and have him paint the wheels, and then once he gets them painted, we're coming back here. Then we're having Nick put them together. Thanks for getting the job done. Say something.
Thanks for the work, I guess. Can't wait to see the wheels come out.
Camera shy.
Yeah.
Straight up camera shy, but it's okay. Basically, once we get to that point, so I guess now we're going to head to Timmy's shop and drop the faces off and let him do his magic. All right, guys, so we have made it to Nick's house. Just want to show you guys how this looks. Actually, let me focus it a little better, so you guys can see like how awesome these turned out. We went with a candy cobalt blue. Definitely came out super nice, and I will tell you one thing. that the color, or how you guys are seeing it from the camera, does not do any justice whatsoever. Whenever you actually see it in person, it is a lot crazier of a color. It's wild. Ooh, that's gonna pop. Okay, so these are the fronts, because you can obviously see the lips are a lot smaller. That's one bolt. Now we got the rest of all these. But boy, it is gonna be crazy. Got our bolts on now. It's just time to put them all on there. These are just the fronts. I can't wait for the rears. No, you're good. The front's all bolted on, and now it's time to get them down tight and torqued. Now he is starting to put together the rears. The rears look a lot more nasty though, right? Anything to say for the people watching, Mr. Nick? Even though you don't talk much?
Yeah.
Camera shy?
Camera shy.
Camera shy?
Anyone in the Tampa area, if you need your wheels rebuilt, hit me up on Instagram. It's ruined.mark6.
Bang that line.
Or you can add me as a friend on Facebook. My name is Nick Fargo. It's Nick with no C. And let's make rear wheels great again.
Very nice. Very, very nice quote. Wonder where you got that from. And so now the third one, or the second one, is good to go. And now we're putting our attention to the third one, which is the other rear. We got all the bolts in. We just have to screw the back bolts on, and then take them over to the roller. Start screwing them in a little more, bolt them down. Do the same with these, with this, and then just run some sealant around them. Let them dry up, and we are golden. All right, so now this time we go ahead and put some tape around her and get some sealant going on this, and these wheels will finally be complete. Nick is laying down the tape right now to tape everything off, run some sealant, and these wheels will be good to go. Have tires get put on, and drop that jack since Simply Clean. Literally, the jack has been keeping Civic up since Simply Clean, almost ever since the barrels cracked at the venue. But that's over with. Hopefully, I will never ever crack another barrel again. Well, they damn sure better not crack for a very long time. All these barrels are brand new.
Rub it in.
Butter. Haven't even pulled the tape off yet. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this vlog of us rebuilding the wheels and painting the faces. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I hope you guys like the outcome that I decided to go with color-wise, because I was just tired of the raw finish that was on the faces. But anyway, what are you doing, Jade? What's up? This is Jade. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that I put the wheels on last night, and it also does suck that I didn't choose to wait till daytime to bring you guys along to put the wheels on, but it's not like I had to do anything crazy. I didn't have to do any crazy stuff to put the wheels on the car. I just slap them on like you do any other car, basically. And I did have taillights, but they were not the correct taillights because I did sell my clear taillights to this guy right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and follow his page on Instagram, really cool dude. He has some nice cars. Definitely go ahead and give him a follow. Go check him out. But the taillights that I ended up getting recently were actually coupe ones, so they didn't line up to the hatch ones, which was kind of a bummer. But I just got to order them, and then once I get the right taillights come in, the car will be legal to roll again. Car shows. The next car show is Clean Culture at the Daytona International Speedway. I really hope it does not get canceled with the COVID-19 and all this crazy rioting, looting, vandalism. I think it's the dumbest thing ever. I really don't see why you need to go and vandalize and riot stuff. It's literally the dumbest shit ever. But anyway, that show is next month, so by tomorrow it'll be June, so the 27th of June will be Clean Culture, and I will be attending that show along with some of my other friends. So, yeah, definitely sorry that I couldn't really make this the outro that most of my vlogs are like, but you get my drift. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.